Hi, I'm ready for Module 7. I want to review the discussion board assignment for this module. It asks you to respond to one of two topics or links that you can read or view. The first sentence of your discussion board post should indicate which of the two you chose. Write your post in such a way that I have no doubt that you read or viewed the assignment. I'm giving you these tips because many students don't do these two simple things, and I want you to be successful. If you choose the division of responsibility for feeding children, please note that this topic implies that the parent is responsible for certain things and the child is responsible for others. Think about what the article says and how it differs or is similar to the principles that were followed in your feeding as a child, and the principles maybe that you, if you have children, have followed with them. The second option is watching a short TED-Med talk by Dan Buettner. He studied 7 populations around the world who live a decade or more longer than the rest of us. He shares 9 common characteristics of these populations. His presentation takes a wider view of the place of diet and exercise in health. He and his team have subsequently begun working to help communities in the U.S. apply the lessons that they learned from these communities. I hope you find this assignment stimulating and helpful in the challenges you face in becoming more healthy and/or raising healthy children.